Whose idea was it to put this baby mirror on this truck? Only reason I can see what I can see now is I got the body off. What they do, swap it from a Volkswagen microbus or something? Now I got a full-size mirror out there. I can see a little more real estate of what's going on beside my truck and behind it. Still need to add the spotter mirrors, got it. But that's a whole lot better than what was on there at first.